Hi, welcome to the Connor Gathering documentary. While we explore this wild jungle
of Caden's backyard.
Now, today we have found a snail exploring a spiderweb. What shall we do? Let's get some rocks. How about we just use this to pick him up?
You don't want to get demonetized, so don't kill him yet.
I'm not. It's alright. Okay, I'm gonna. Well, what should we do? Oh, he's being attacked. Okay. Now that's out of his way. Oh, he's been picked up. Alright, now we have to take him to the concrete. And oh, I found a new animal. I caught an eyeball. Oh my gosh.
Now we have to explore this guy in the nature's habitat. Concrete.
Now, have you ever tried grabbing his eyes? Now, very boring. So anyway, are we gonna try and snatch him? Let's cut off the eye. Do you have any scissors?
Yes, but we're not using it for that.
Oh, why did I just do that? Needs one eye. Oh my gosh!
He's got it, but then he let go.
Do you have a... Oh my gosh, this is gonna get demonetized by Reagan.
Look at that mucus and the...
Oh dang it, I wanted you to drop
Okay,
it.
look at this. In the vlog.
Here, let me see it.
My name's Bernie, the cameraman.